Standard 4th, subject General Knowledge. So students, today we are going to learn something new in our General Knowledge book. Lesson number 17, Musicians and Instruments. So students, now let's see what type of musicians and instruments they have given us in this lesson. First one we will see is tabla. A tabla is a pair of twin hand drums from the Indian subcontinent since 18th century. Tabla has been the principal percussion instrument in Hinduism classical music, where it may be played also solo as accompaniment with other instruments and vocals and as a part of larger assemblies. So students, this is known as a tabla instrument. Second one we'll be learning is flute. Unlike woodwind instruments with reeds, a flute is an earphone or riddles wind instrument that produces its sound from the flow of air across an opening. According to the instrument classification of Hornbostel Sachs, flutes are characterized as edge-blown earphones. So students, this is known as flute instrument. Third one we'll be learning is sitar. The sitar is a plucked string instrument originating from the Indian subcontinent used in Hinduism classical music. The instrument was invented in medieval India and flourished in the 16th and 17th centuries and arrived at the present from in 18th century India. So students, this is known as sitar instrument. Fourth one we'll be learning is drum. The drum is a member of the percussion group of musical instruments. In the Hornbostel Sachs classification system, it is a membraphone. So students, this is known as a drum instrument. Fifth one we'll be learning is mohanveena. A mohanveena is either of two distinct plucked string instruments used in Indian classical music, especially Hinduism classical music, which is associated with the northern parts of the Indian subcontinent. A modified sword created by sword player Radhika Mohan Maitra in the 1940s was called the mohanveena. So students, this is known as mohanveena instrument. So children, total we have learned now 5 musicians and their instruments. Thank you.